Dog, shut up. It's just a freaking frog that you're barking at. Where the freak's it coming from in the first place? Dog, look. There's nothing out here except for nothing. Just funny but mean. Kind of. If you bark at that freaking bug, it's gonna be so stupid. This stupid bug, get up from away from the camera. You gonna do it anymore, Sparky? What the freak? Get off me, you stupid beetle. You gonna bark anymore, Sparky? And this is Joseph Pate, or aka Joey.
You got 10 seconds to get in this house.
And that's all for today, folks.